Hello, my name is Stefan Harold, and I'm a board-certified chiropractic neurologist. I sometimes hear people say they've never heard the words chiropractor and neurologist together before. But chiropractic, like other healthcare fields, has both general practitioners as well as specialists. There are chiropractic radiologists, orthopedists, pediatricians, sports medicine specialists, and many others. My specialty is chiropractic neurology, which is also called functional neurology because of its emphasis on treating functional imbalances in the nervous system using conservative methods. A medical neurologist has medication and surgery as their primary tools to help patients. As a chiropractic neurologist, I have a different set of tools. I utilize non-invasive methods to influence nervous system health. No matter the health condition, very often the brain is a part of the puzzle. Simply stated, I then will assess a patient's individual nervous system for any imbalances that might be causing their condition or otherwise influencing their health, and then provide them with therapy as well as exercises to help balance their brains and help resolve the condition. Weaknesses in the nervous system can arise from many different causes. There could be physical injuries, chronic pain, conditions like diabetes, autoimmunity, other things that cause inflammation, directly from things like concussions, or they can be from developmental delays, where parts of the brain don't mature at the proper rate and may be left weakened since childhood. As a functional neurologist, I help my patients by giving them specific brain exercises to address the individual weaknesses that they present with. If you want to strengthen a muscle, you have to contract that muscle against resistance. In order to strengthen and improve the endurance of a neuron, a brain cell, you have to activate that cell's membrane receptors. Since the nervous system is sensory-driven, sensory inputs become the logical and most natural way to strengthen a weakened pathway. The brain controls and coordinates every other part of the body, but this is a two-way street, as the brain is also heavily influenced by feedback from the body. Proper alignment, muscle tone, and movement are vital for a healthy brain. One of the most important tools as a functional neurologist that I have are my skills as a chiropractor, adjusting the joints and muscles of the body to ensure balanced feedback to the brain so that the activation in the brain is equal from one side to the other. I also utilize movement-based feedback as well as eye exercises to activate specific parts of the brain. Sensory inputs of all kinds can be useful therapeutic tools. I've utilized light, colors, sounds, smells, tactile and movement feedback, as well as cognitive exercises to help my patients optimize their brain function. In addition to brain exercises, nutrition is vitally important, as the brain can only function as well as the environment that it's in. Just as a water-loving hyacinth is not going to flourish in the desert, a brain cell will not function well if it's deprived of vital nutrients or if it's bathed in chronic inflammation, stress hormones, or toxic chemicals. Neurology, by necessity, I feel, must be a holistic approach, because the systems of the body do not operate independently, but in complex, interconnected webs. To that end, I continue to advance my training in the advances in diet, nutrition, and functional medicine, in addition to my training in neurology and chiropractic techniques. I embrace my roles, the dual roles of the titles granted by my training. I'm a doctor, which means teacher, and I strive to educate my patients about their health and how they can become an active partner in their healing. As a physician, this means healer, and I continue to add to my education and my tools as a healer to grant my patients the best opportunity for a successful outcome. It is my honor to be involved in life-changing improvements in my patients' health each and every week. If you feel you or someone that you know might benefit from my expertise, please don't hesitate to contact me, because it would be my pleasure to find out if I can help. I thank you for listening. I hope this has been informative, and take care.